Hi, I'm Peter Licorinas. I'm at another one of our developments. I've literally just finished showing our incredible investors around the project. We're about 3 or 4 days away from finishing. They were absolutely delighted. And we bought the property around 5% below market value, where we've developed the property, adding additional rooms, converting the garage, adding additional parking at the front. We have added massive value, and we've made it so desirable when it comes to selling it in anywhere between 5 and 10 years time, but most importantly, as a HMO today, this will provide income of up to £45,000 per year. It's around about a 14% gross yield. The return on capital for the investor is way over 25%. I think it's 28, 29%, which is incredible. And it's in an area where we know property prices could double within the next decade. If you're looking to make your money really work for you, if you're looking for the best, the nicest investments in the UK, if you're looking for the best returns and to work with the most trustworthy company that have been doing this for over 20 years, then please get in touch. We'd love to talk to you, and we'd love to talk to you about how you can make your money go as far as possible and maximise everything that you touch when it comes to property investing.